What is up, guys? This is Tristan Watkins of TRIFLIX Tech. Today we are taking a break from filmmaking and we're gonna assemble a computer. Now, you're probably wondering, what does this have anything to do with what we normally do? Well, as a filmmaker, what is it that we edit on? Considering I'll be building my own computer soon, I figured it'd be nice to have a trash build to get familiar with it. Let's begin.
There was a cap on it. You didn't tell me there was a cap on it.
Oh, dude, that's so much out. Oh my gosh.
You didn't tell me there was a cap on it. I thought that was an actual thing.
Oh, dude, this is good stuff. Like, my video's been 99% completely serious this whole time. Like, this will be great comic relief.
Sounds like that.
So know what it's supposed to sound like?
No. considering what you bought, that's probably sounding right. It beeped. Actually, that probably means it works. It posted. One beep usually means post.
So is that good?
Yeah, it's good. It works.
Woo! There's nothing on the post screen though. That's because it's not connected. We'll get that fixed. I hate that sound. Oh, that does not sound as good. I'm pretty sure it only has this problem because it's plugged into DVI, so I'm going to assume the issue's actually...
In the graphics card?
Yep.
Did that have a power thing on it that we needed to... Okay, that's enough of that. The good news is the warranty's still valid.
I don't think that's how warranties work.
The graphics card might need power. Hey!
You got a beep. Is the screen on? Ah! Yeah. Well, the computer sucks. My TV might be bad. That's a solid option. It sounded like you relieved the fan a great deal by doing that.
You're working with so many old parts, you can't troubleshoot what's wrong.
Okay, well it definitely works still. It's in PC mode, searching for a signal. Can a bad GPU ruin a motherboard?
No, I mean I guess, but I highly doubt it. Do you have a white cord?
It's all part of the process. Is Bluetooth new for it? Okay, well, looks like trash build's not working. So, we give up? I don't know, I never got this far before in building a computer.